Hello. We know that rubbing things together creates friction and heat. But did you know that rubbing and bumping things also has a lot to do with how we make sound? Let's find out how. Sound is a type of energy that travels in waves. But what makes those waves? It all starts with vibrations. Vibrations are tiny, rapid movements. When something vibrates, it moves back and forth very quickly. And when things vibrate, they bump into the air particles around them. These bumps make the air particles move, and that movement travels as sound waves. Think of a drum. When you hit it, the drum's surface vibrates. These vibrations bump into the air, and that's what makes the sound you hear. Friction, which we know makes heat, can also cause things to vibrate and make sound. When you rub your hands together, you're not just making heat. The rubbing also causes tiny vibrations that make a soft sound. Remember when we talked about the friction of a bicycle's brakes? The rubbing of the brakes against the wheels causes vibration, which can sometimes create a screeching sound. The friction from striking a match causes vibrations that, along with the chemical reaction, create the sound of a match lighting. Many musical instruments use vibrations to create sound. A violin string vibrates when you pluck it or strum it, a drum vibrates when you hit it, and a trumpet vibrates the air inside it when you blow into the trumpet. These sound waves travel through air or other materials like water or solids until they reach our ears. Our ears have tiny parts that vibrate when the sounds hit them. These vibrations are turned into signals that our brain reads as sound. The size of the vibrations determines how loud or soft a sound is. Big vibrations make loud sounds, like a drum being hit. Small vibrations make quiet sounds, like a whisper. How fast something vibrates determines how high or low a sound is. Fast vibrations make high-pitched sounds like a whistle. Slow vibrations make low-pitched sounds like a rumble. So to recap, friction can cause vibrations. Vibrations make sound waves. Sound waves travel to our ears. Our brain interprets these as sounds. Pretty cool, huh? So the next time you hear a sound, remember that it all started with something vibrating. Thank you for watching.